Hello there, and welcome back to the Claire Codes channel. What are we doing today? So, today, in an effort for me to quit smoking, I am chewing nicotine gum, and it's going okay. But if you are wondering what I'm doing with my mouth, why I'm a little fidgety, that might explain it. And what we are really doing today, and what I want to use as a distraction in this moment, is we are going to create my June scrapbook, and we are going to do it on Canva. So I have Canva pulled up over here, and I also looked up kind of the size. I want it to be like 2 standard size double page. This would come in handy, especially if you were intending on printing your scrapbook. I'm not. I'm just keeping it digital, but it's just good to know kind of like what trim lines are and where margin areas might fall. I'm going to probably ignore all of that in my design, but if you care about that, definitely take this into consideration, and especially if you're thinking of printing this out. Okay, so to give you a little taste of what I'm thinking about doing, maybe 1 second, I'm just pulling up Adobe Illustrator and bringing it into this second monitor space. Okay, so I did start this scrapbook, and it's actually inspired, if I can find it. Also give me a moment. So many things floating around. Okay, it should pop up. Yeah, cool. So this is my Twitter, in case you're interested. I also have too many things going on right now. There's a Trisha Paytas live stream going on over there. Oh no, my face just keeps hopping back and forth in between my monitors, and I don't know how this is going to record. Hopefully this is fine. Yeah, everything's fine. Okay. Let's go back, please. This one. Okay, anyway. So, please face. Okay, let's see if I can grab it. I mean, my face is huge. Okay, maybe I'll try this out a little bigger. Let's see. I don't need to blur anything. Let's move me there. Okay, I'm fine with this. Yeah, everything's going fine. So I have a Twitter at I Love Claire, if you want to follow me. This is not a desperate plea, but anyway, Natasha posted their June digital scrapbook, and I was very inspired. So let me make this over here. Yeah, I just love it. It's very good luck charm. I was about to say charming, but I think I just read that and then was like charming. Yeah, it's got the, kind of Y2K aesthetic, a lot of like cut out magazine letters. It's like clunked up, but in like the best possible way. And you just feel like she lives a fun life, and she even like includes like a playlist in there. I think that's fun. So again, I'll include a link to this post that she made, because I think she probably puts out either her own collage template, or like, yeah, she probably has a means of achieving this on your own. But we're just gonna kind of take inspiration from this and do it our own way. But yeah, maybe I'll include a playlist. That would be fun. Okay, so I'm in Canva. Again, a double spread was 13.625 by 10.5. So let's do over here, custom size. I'm gonna move around. So I put it in inches, 13.625. I want to say, if I get this wrong. Yeah. I was like, what's going to happen if I get it wrong? Nothing. I just look and fix it. Okay. So that's good. We're going to click create new design. So I think one of the reasons I'm actually making this video, and I'll wait a second. So I think one of the reasons I'm actually making this video right now is that my Canva subscription is about to lapse. It's not even a free trial. I was paying for a while. I think it's about like $14 or $15 a month, and I was using it. I used it a lot for like lazy features. Like I like the ability to erase magically backgrounds. I think it does a great job with that in some images. And I was helping my mom make flyers, which I also have the Adobe Suite, so I could totally do that myself. So again, no more subscription after this month. So I figure, why not use it to its full potential right now? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I looked up binder rings PNG transparent over here in this tab. I liked this one. So what I did is I created a scrapbook folder on my desktop, and I'm going to create a new folder here, and we'll call it assets. We'll just call it ass. What is going on? Okay, enter assets, and then I'm gonna, it's just hard with one hand sometimes, you know? Maybe you don't. I'm gonna drag this Adobe stock in. And even though I could pay for Adobe stock, we're gonna cheat a little bit. Let's call this June. Oop. 1 second. I wish I had a good microphone stand. All right, un momento. What even was that? All right, June scrapbook. And then we're gonna drag in this binder ring if it wants to. I also almost even brought down a mouse. And then I was like, no, I can do this. I cannot do this. Okay, I'm back. So I think it's just with this loom circle open. You can see my beautiful face, but it's really hard for me to drag things. Oh, I was just able to do it again. Okay, anyway, so who knows? Who knows what's going on? So again, I have Canva open. I'm going to widen this up. Show 2 of these in here now. You know what? That's fine, because I'll add a page. Actually, I don't want to do that yet. So page 1. What I can do is I can click Edit Image. Then I can click Background Remover. And it'll create just a clear PNG. So if we looked at this now, if I put something behind it, for example, an element, position, you can see it through. So that's great. Now what I want to do is I want to rotate it. So I'm going to click Shift, and that kind of resizes it, which is not exactly what I wanted. That didn't look like pure 90. That looks better. Okay. And then we're going to make it full. Send it back for now just to grab that. Okay. Let's move it so it's like perfectly center. And then we have our binder. Words. And now we have our binder rings. And we can copy that, Command C. If we go to the next page, should, paste exactly in the same spot. So that's perfect. So we have the start. And then recently used elements, you can see what I think I searched was just like paper or lined notebook. And then you can look through graphics or folder or photos and grab what you like. I kind of like something like this. And as you can see, it's pro. So you must be a subscriber to get this premium image for free. So that's kind of fun. I'm going to put that there and move myself. Let's make me... Okay, sorry about that. Can I make myself a little smaller? That's better. Cool. All right, now let's get that so it's like taking up part of the page. And let's do that for a few other things. I'm liking these magic recommendations over here. So magical. And we can make that like a big rip. And if you do Command bracket left, it'll go smaller. It'll go place it behind, and Command bracket right will place it in the front. So this should still be in the front. That's great. Now I also collected some images, and these are images throughout June. So for example, this image, and I'm going to drop it in to Canva. I'm not going to comment on how that worked the first time. Let's edit image. Okay. Crop. Yeah, I like that crop. Done. So this was my first class that I started in June. What if we put it kind of in the binder ring? maybe in front of this. I'm gonna play around with it. None of this is final. It's the fun part about collaging. I went to a math museum because part of the class. So I know that I was doing some Legos. iPhone, see how it's a hike? I wonder if it'll be able to read that format. Oh, seems to have done it. It appeared here. This seems to not be it. Okay. There we go. I just clicked it in the left column and it appeared. So doing some Legos. That's interesting. You can record yourself here as well. I also want to write June. Let's go to text. Oh, like this mixture of old and new maybe could work. June. Oh, I haven't been close to my microphone. I hope that's been fine. I'm a pro. I am a pro at YouTube. Yeah, just a pro at everything. June. Look. Book. Cool. Let's make that smaller. Let's make you. I can also control it this way. That's fine. Okay, cool. I don't know. Not liking it so much, but I think it'll grow. I think with the best elements, we can add something like this guy just for funsies. We can kind of connect everything. Okay. Yeah, that fixed everything. No. Oh, gosh. Add some elements. So yeah, this class was a lot of work. I was about to say fun. It was fun as well. It was called MakerLab 1, and I did it at Delphi University as a part of my master's degree, I guess, that I'm trying to obtain. And I even have this beautiful site, as you can see. Let me bring myself. Okay. I saw this beautiful site, as you can see. Yeah, it's my CS education portfolio. It has a dark mode and light mode. You can change the top header. And then I have a journal where actually it's kind of almost like my digital scrapbook. If you watch my last video, you'll know about my psych ward interactive story. And you can even view the video here. Classic. And yeah. I also have a lesson plan that I wrote because the goal is to become a computer science teacher. That would be the ultimate. Excuse me while I deal with my gum. The ultimate goal of this master's degree. So hopefully that works out. Here's some old stuff that I've done. I'm going to put like my Post Malone and Sabrina Carpenter sites here. And then I have my Grace in Space project that I worked on in my coding bootcamp. It's hackathon projects. But right now this is like my major project. And I'm using Firebase Firestore as the back end. And it's not the most intuitive to use. It's to write these journals, to put them in the back end, actually like takes more effort than it should. Yeah. But maybe I'll go through. I don't think I'll ever do a React tutorial just because I don't feel like I have the knowledge base to explain like why everything. Like I know sometimes this works to do it this way, but I don't exactly know like the why behind it. And if I don't know the why behind something, don't know that I want to be like teaching it or that I have the level to teach it. And I don't never say never. Maybe one day I'll teach a beautiful, great React course, but that's not happening anytime in the near future. I don't think. All right, back to my scrapbook. Okay, looking great. Ooh, some more. Ooh, I like this exclamation point. Yeah. Wow. Okay, that's gonna add a lot. Kind of like it behind too. That's fun. Okay, what other? Keep recommending me things. Okay. That can go there. It can be like my Lego needed some band-aids. Let's see all the magic. Oh yeah. I want to rotate you, buddy. Okay. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Now I'm just filling idle time while I put some stickers in. Maybe magic recommendations can just do the whole thing. Oh, if I could spell out Lego. Let's see. Lego my ego. No, I'm really into botanical Legos. I don't know if that's clear. And there's the L. I don't know if anyone was screaming on their computer like, I see an L. Okay. I might just fast forward through some of this. Now it's just recommending me letters, which could be helpful. Could be interested in those. That's beautiful. Let's get out of my actual organizations. Let's get another piece of paper because we cannot handle paper. And let's bring this back to the front. Cool. Let's just change the background. Although I would kind of like elements. Grid lines. Something like this. Move it over to the halfway point. Yeah, it's grid lines. Let's see if we can get better grid lines. I'm not saying these are better. They're just different. Oh, I keep thinking that'll help. Keep wanting to click shift, but wait, let's make sure. Okay. Yeah, it's got a lot going on. I don't know. That's better, I think. No, I think I want a frame. I could just keep going on and on, as you can tell. Graphics. These are just more frames. Oh, that's nice. Something like that. Let's get the full picture, which doesn't mean moving me over a little bit. Yeah. June lookbook. Lego. What else? Um, Something for that bottom corner. I'm looking like I have a certain butterfly in mind, and I do not. This could be fun. I think it's missing something. Yeah, that's looking good. I can always also export it from Canva and then play around with the colors a little bit in Photoshop. I think that's what I probably will do. But so far, I'm liking it. And look at, it's just so much better than a white page. White. We've got a lot going on. Maybe too much? But can you have too much is the question. That's what I'm saying. All right, let's do one more page and then I'll call this a video, I guess. Okay. I went to the math museum. Fun times. So it's going to take up the whole page. And let's see what else. That's kind of fun. A little meme. At least I'm gay. Happy Pride Month being over. All right, let's see. What else? Oh, this was good. Oh, my birdie. Comment. Yeah, sad comment. All right. Yeah, that's it. I'm done. No, imagine. All right. So let's see. I had this. So I found this. I think I searched like grid paper, and this came up from like Pixel Web or something like named that. And then if I go to edit image and you go to background remover, it should remove that grid. Yeah. So now it's just what I want, which is perfect. So you can still see the grid, like behind the tape, but that's it's just what we're gonna have to deal with. Let me see if I can rotate this the perfect amount. That looks pretty good. Do I want to crop it? Maybe I can cover it with elements. Let's do birds. Let's have some birds over here, covering comet, and more paper. Again, I'm just using Canva to the full extent by just grabbing like free assets that, or some of these pro assets as well, because I know soon I will not have access to these. But there are plenty of other places to find assets, or you can grab them on the internet or bring them in here, like I just did with that one, and then you can make them have clear backgrounds. So there are a lot of different possibilities. I just felt like saying possibilities that way. Don't judge me. Okay, let's bring comic down a little. That's fun. Ooh, what's this? Just like strings attached. I like that. It's kind of a jumble. Where do I want this jumble to go? Yeah, that's fun. Okay. And then I want some more paper. Papier, please. I like that. And the brown is really doing it. Let's make this bigger. Yeah. Oh, this is a fun paper airplane widget. What if my head's in the middle? And then I always just like this binder to just come to the front. Just like all the paper needs to be connected there. So that's what we started. Kind of like in this page more. Don't tell the first page. Yeah. Don't mind me. Or do. Okay, so June lookbook 2024 Lego. Yeah. So that's how I would scrapbook, and I would just kind of keep going that way. And we might call that done. Yeah. All right. Boy, have a good one wherever you are in the world. Once again, this is what we kind of created in Canva. No, this is what we created in Canva. Not kind of. We created this today. And I'm proud. Yeah. Maybe. Somewhat. It's cool. It's a good start. And we'll keep going from here. All right. Have a great day wherever you are, or night, or whatever. Enjoy. Bye. Thanks for watching.